Hello, everyone, and welcome to this beautiful Tuesday, the 29th of March, 2022, to the weekly burn down meeting. This is week 12 of the Kubernetes release 124. My name is Max. I will be the host for today. Just in some terms of housekeeping, please be aware that we are under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which boils down to be nice and awesome and great to each other, and show the respect you all deserve. With that, we can jump right into the updates, and I would like to hand over to Priyanka from enhancements.
Hey everyone, so our current status is yellow. We are tracking 35 and there are 23 enhancements still at risk. And we are like 14 hours to the code freeze, but folks from the enhancements team have reached out again with the last final friendly reminder about the code freeze. So let's see what's the final number, but yeah, that's the update. Thank you.
Okay, sounds like we maybe should also maybe leave a friendly, nice message, James, on when we have 23 on risk.
Yeah. What do you mean go? You mean go through and poke each of them? I mean,
yes, I think so.
Okay.
14 hours left. 2/3 on risk. It's I like to be optimistic, but well.
Yeah. The thing is, do we want to poke? Yeah, because I presume that enhancements is poking on the issues already.
Yeah.
Do we want to go poke some SIGs? Just give them a gentle.
I would say like we can give them some more hours until the clock has rushed a little bit, and then we can poke the SIGs again. Like, hey, please don't forget code freeze is close, and currently we need to have a eye on you. I think it would be helpful.
Yeah, I think it could be helpful. I'll tell it offline. I'll mention that in the release enhancements channel, and we can coordinate what we're doing there, because I don't want to trample over what the enhancements team is already doing. Okay,
sounds good. Perfect. Thank you. Any other question, comments to Priyanka? Nope. Then moving onwards to CI Signal and Laura.
Hello. We have no failing tests right now on master blocking or master informing, and none of the flaky tests besides this one on master blocking already listed are exhibiting any pattern of behavior. So the CI signal current status is green. The flaky test mentioned GCI ingress is not considered a release blocker for Wednesday's beta release cut by SIG Network, as mentioned yesterday too. So we're okay with that. And otherwise, we are observing the 4 release blocker tagged bugs, but thank you to James for confirming that they are not a blocker for the beta candidate this week. So from CI Signal, we are good. That's it.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Questions to CI Signal? Alrighty. Moving onwards to bug triage with Dipto.
Hi, so our current status is red. So we have had some progress. So one of the PRs, one of the release blocker issue, one PR was merged, but the issue is not closed yet. So we'll be pinging them about whether further work is needed on that, or is that enough to close the issue. That is a pending discussion. And one more thing we wanted to know from CI Signal, whether this Go 1.18 TLS unit test is going to be a big issue further down the line. So there has been some discussion going on in it, and it seems it's some Golang related thing.
Yes, I think the position is that it needs to be resolved before the 124 first release candidate, along with the other 3 issues related to Go 118. So while that's not an issue for this Wednesday, we do need to be pushing it for, I think the next week is our next candidate, right?
The 5th is RC0, I believe, which means Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yes, yeah, so it's not that we have so much time, I guess.
Yeah, we
So-
have 1 week before it holds up.
And if I recall from the Slack message from Jordan too, this one is and I don't think anything has changed, that this is the highest risk one because no one's working on it yet.
It also looks like that this current issue is something which appears only on macOS, which could be a reason that it's passed on the Linux builds.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Is this
But
similar?
overall, all the bugs which are currently having on risk are related to the Go 118 update, right?
Yeah. Out of them, two are impacting the tests, and other 2 have PRs with them.
Okay.
Uh,
And let's see if they get it
and the
fixed
rest is
soon.
and the rest is we are tracking all the issues, and we have also already messaged for code freeze. So that's it. Hoping to be moved to green soon.
All right. Thank you very much. Any further questions to bug triage? Cool. Moving on to Miha with stocks.
So hello everyone. The current status of docs team is yellow. We are almost like 2 days around after there is docs placeholder PR deadline, and we are still remaining with 15 placeholders. So probably by today we will try to reach out to 6 for the heads up to get the placeholder PRs. So yes, nothing major updates since yesterday's meeting. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Do we have anyone joined from release notes or comms? Also doesn't sound like this. Then maybe one short heads up from our side. You should have currently 2 meeting invites for Friday. James will tidy up this later. The time where we will meet is 11 UTC, 11 a.m. UTC.
I've issued the update, so it should be updating people's calendars. I just made a mistake. Wrong time zone when I created it, but yes, as I put in Slack, all meetings are either 11 a.m. UTC or 4 p.m. UTC. Those are the only 2 times for main release 2 meetings.
All right, perfect. Good. Anything else from your side?
Me? No.
You and the team.
Me and the team. No, I don't have anything else. We have a lot going on this week, of course. We have code freeze, and then we have a beta cut, and we have a docs deadline, and we have a the deprecations blog coming out. So things are starting to get exciting.
Finally, we're coming closer to the release. That's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, then thank you very much to you all. I wish you a very pleasant week, and we will see us tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.